Hello, this is Rachel with Whimsy Ray's Artistry. In this video, I will be sharing with you how I did the background for Beyoncé in Blue. This background is a textured background. I have various different colors on my little plate, as you can see, of blue, and it's mixed with black. The other colors I use in this, I don't really talk about very much just because they're just acrylic paint that you could purchase at any retail paint store or craft store. I also will have in my description below locations of where I purchase my art supplies. If you have any questions, please contact me at whimsyrays@gmail.com. Also, my website is up and running, whimsyraysartistry.com. And also, if you would like to purchase this painting of Beyoncé in Blue, please contact me as well. In the meantime, just enjoy the video as it is a time-lapse version. And again, if you have any questions at this point, you can feel free to contact me. You can also message me under the YouTube channel itself, under the comments in this video. Again, in the description, I will have the locations of where I purchase a lot of my art supplies. And if you have any other questions about my techniques, please feel free to contact me. Thank you and enjoy the video.